Hello, traders. Today is Friday, June 20th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. And we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. So the Euro Yen just keeps on pushing up, which makes sense because the monthly, the weekly, and the daily are all in uptrends, which means I definitely am looking for longs. Going up to the daily time frame, we are at the 61% Fibonacci retracement, which definitely could be a big area of resistance. We could possibly get a much bigger move to the downside at this level, but I definitely am doing what the market tells me to do, and the market is definitely still telling me to look for longs. If we get, this 61% respected and it goes down, it gives you a big breaker structure. After the breaker structure, you can start looking for pullback entries to go short. But for me personally, I would prefer to just keep looking for longs, at least until the daily time frame tells me otherwise. And the daily time frame is definitely telling me to look for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially if they're three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces. So anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, take a look at my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner, take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching, and happy trading.